Sneakerheads, listen up. You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 300 likes. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button right now. Join the Moore family. Comment down below. Let me know your size in the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. And then DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the Palomino giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because I do free monthly sneaker giveaways here on YouTube. Every month, I give away a brand new pair of hype sneakers. I announce the winner each and every month in the beginning of the new month. So make sure you guys come back to the channel to find out who wins the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Good luck. I purchased a pair of Air Jordan 1 mids from Nike, and this is how the box came. All beat up. It is what it is. Let's get into this unboxing. I know I'm not supposed to open it this way, but it's already torn open, so I might as well finish the job and get it open. We're going to talk about the Air Jordan 1 mid, because the Air Jordan 1 mid continuously makes me a little upset, a little mad, a little frustrated, and I'm going to explain why. When they do this with the Air Jordan 1 mid, this sucks, in my opinion. I'm going to straight up say it. This is trash. Hot trash by Nike. It just sucks that this is what they continuously do to the Jordan 1 mid. When nobody is asking for this, it's absolutely ridiculous. And I actually have a much better idea, a very simple, smart, easy to do idea that the brand can do themselves. They're just simply not doing, and they're giving us this garbage, hot trash instead. Let's get into this. So this right here, it is a size 11, my size, Air Jordan 1 mid. And right here, we have the white and gold tissue paper, the box, the tissue paper, gold hits, and we have the sneakers. And yeah, I am not thrilled. Not thrilled. I like the colorway. I like the color blocking, the details. Cool. There's a few complaints about this sneaker, big time. This right here, I am just not happy about, and let me explain my biggest problem with this colorway of the Jordan 1 mid, and there's so many other times Nike does this. Let me explain. This is just annoying and ridiculous if you ask me. Guys, what does this sneaker look like? You guys know. It's supposed to be a wannabe, let's call it what it is, a wannabe Bred Air Jordan 1, right? Here is the Bred Air Jordan 1. Obviously, they're trying to mimic this sneaker, change up just subtle little differences. Besides the quality, don't even get me started. Quality on mids is not good really at all. It's a very stiff leather. If you don't like Nike Air Force 1 leather, you're probably not going to like the mid leather either. Why does Nike continuously do this to us as sneakerheads? Why? I know that this sneaker, they're trying to make it more than just sneakerheads. They're trying to make it for anybody just to go ahead and cop. They're sitting in stores, sitting online, going on sale at this point. So I understand what they're doing with the mids. Mass-produced a crap ton of pairs and just go to outlets. There's a lot of pairs of mids, right? A lot more than your normal Air Jordan 1 High OG. This is more of a limited shoe compared to the mids. Mids, they just make a lot more pairs, generally speaking. So, with that being said, here's my complaint and my question to the brand. Nobody asked for this. Why not just give us this? Why not just give us what we want? If you want to make a crap ton of money, right? That's what they're in business for. It's a business. They want to make a lot of money. Guys, you can charge a lot more money for this than you can for this. When it comes to production, yes, you're choosing to make more of this than you are the high OGs, but you could easily not. You could easily make just as many pairs, and we all know what's going to happen. They're going to sell out regardless. They're going to sell out regardless. So if you ask me, this particular colorways like this with other Jordan 1s, I'll give you guys more examples in a moment. To me, it's just a waste of material. A waste of a what we could have had, should have had, and wish we had. We should have had them. They could have gave us the bread ones once again, and yet they are not. They're just putting a twist on it with some extra details, changed details here and there. You guys notice, take a look at the color blocking. It's very obvious what the shoe is supposed to be. Could have been, should have been. You know, they're changing just minor details. It's just crazy. And then the color of the red. The color of the red, if you want to change that, that's fine to me. Because every retro, they do change something compared to the last retro. So I'm fine with that. If you want to make this, make it bright red just like this, cool. But give us what we truly want, because I'm going to tell you guys right now, nobody asked for this. Nobody straight up asked for them to make these Jordan 1 mids like this. Another example that I can think off the top of my head right now, because I went to the mall the other day and this sneaker is sitting big time, is the Jordan 1 mid UNC or UNC toe Jordan 1 mids. Once again, you could have gave us more pairs of the high OG and not even made that mid. I feel like the company is just making these sneakers as a waste of material compared to giving us what we truly want. Not all Jordan 1 mids are trash. I will say that there are some really good fire colorways of the Jordan 1 mid, but when the company does this, when Nike gives us something like this, come on. It's just so blatantly obvious, and those UNC toes as well. It's just so blatantly obvious of what they're trying to do. Why not just do it, create more pairs? You're going to make even more money because you're retailing them at a higher price point. Why not just give us what we want? Why do they keep doing this? Stop giving us things that nobody's really asking for on a Jordan 1 mid. I feel like that's what the brand does at this point. They use the mid as a, here's a wannabe shoe. You guys want that shoe? Well, that shoe sold out, had a lot of hype, a lot of demand, instantly sold out. That shoe's now going for $300-$400 on the market. The brand sees it, right? Nike sees the market, they know. So obviously they're like, all right, well, you guys want this. We're not going to give you that. We're going to give you something like this at a lower price point. And we're going to mass produce it, and it's going to sit. I just don't understand that concept. Why not just make more pairs of what you're going to make even more money on? Certain colorways are fire, but when they do something like this, it's just not fire. It's just not fire. I don't approve. I'm not a fan. Let me know what you guys think about this down below in the comments. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Before you comment and go after me and, Danny, how can you crap on the mids? No, no, no. It's just that some colorways like this are just not it. You're giving us what we could have had and should have had, the Jordan 1 bread. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.